trains go out, watching the trains go out. I'm such a wild sort of devil may care, worse than the tops up in Leicester Square, wearing my hat on the side, standing there ruined, no doubt. You can ask all the guards, it's not women or cards, it's still watching the trains go out.
Why are we all so excited by steam?
I'm up here again to film the Tornado steam train. Now, I didn't know, when I heard steam train, my ears pricked up. I thought, yeah, I've got to be here for that. But it was built in 2009, so it's like a reproduction. That's probably the wrong word. It's probably, they've done it all the right way, etc. It's now at Chelmsford apparently, and it should be here quite soon. Yeah, so I don't think, I'm not going to get a real decent shot from a long distance, but all the vantage points have all been taken, so as long as I get a bit of it, that's what matters. I can see some steam.
For your safety, please do stand back behind the yellow lines for your safety, thank you.
Here she comes.
Please stand well back from the platform.
So there's a big mad rush to the front now. So where the front of the engine is, as you see, only had one carriage. It's a pity we haven't got smell-o-vision. You smell all that lovely burning coal and steam. Oh, takes me back to when I was about 6, because I actually did ride on a steam train back in the early 60s. I'm that old, yeah. And it was the southern region. I went down from Waterloo to Winchester. Got to be tall, haven't you? Oh, sugar. Oh, bloody hell. Jesus. I think I've just got perforated eardrums.
Boy's young passion, an old man's dream. Steam, steam, beautiful steam. We won't be so sorry to part with the lorry as now when we're parting with steam.
Please consider subscribing to Riley's YouTube channel before he finishes his days in the local retirement home, where the broadband signal is rubbish.